Samuel.
All right, 3.1, exponential and logistic functions.
You guys did work on the facial expressions. Probably the ones in the hallway. I didn't go to see special people.
You act like you're stone cold.
All right, let A and B be real number constants. An exponential function. And x is a function that can be written in the form f of x is equal to a times b to the x, where a is non-zero, b is positive, and b is not equal to 1. The constant a is the initial value of f, the value at x is equal to 0, and b is the base.
Is that supposed to just say B instead of BE is positive?
Yes. I've done that twice now.
How did your physics test go yesterday?
They didn't take it. Neither of them remembered that there was a test. And Sarah wasn't here, so she was gonna have to take it today anyways, and she doesn't have study hall, so
She doesn't have study hall?
For senior year?
She's taking 7 classes? That sounds horrible.
Well, one of them.
I didn't have a study hall my senior year.
Still sounds horrible.
Did you have a study hall at all? You just had none?
I
ever?
never had a study hall. So for
Oh.
like 6th grade, we had a study hall 2 days a week.
That sounds miserable. I would die without my study hall. Literally die.
I just did everything at night like I was supposed to.
Oh.
And played 3 sports.
How'd you have time for anything else?
Well, the thing is that with doing that, you have to sacrifice certain things.
Probably didn't get a lot of sleep either.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
It was in bed by like 12:30.
Yeah, that's not bad.
That's not
You
good.
could have been at like 9.
I like to be in my bed before 11, but recently that hasn't been happening. So.
And if any time the church doors were open, I was here.
I don't like that. It doesn't look great.
The only thing I basically didn't do was class officer because I didn't want to.
Nice. Oh, that makes up for the 3 sports. That's what I do instead.
Exponential growth and decay. For any exponential function, f of x is equal to a times b to the x, and any real number x, f of x plus 1 is equal to b times f of x. If a is greater than 0 and b is greater than 1, the function f is increasing and is an exponential growth function. The base b is the growth factor. If a is greater than 0 and b is less than 1, f is decreasing and is an exponential decay function. The base b is its decay factor. So then a picture of each of those. The one on the left is growth. One on the right is decay.
Did you call Party City? Or you called today?
I'm gonna talk to them today, I think.
That's good with whatever time. I know they said 1, but like if they say they can do it earlier, then if you want us to, we can do it earlier. Or go for whatever.
Yeah, the problem is somebody has to be here to let you in.
Yeah. Do you have a game on Saturday? It'll be. Sorry, I missed that.
Yes, at Hampton Christian.
Where are we putting?
And I have to pick up the flowers after that.
I'm not sure. Your mom's room?
We don't have to go in a classroom, right?
Well, I'm hoping that I can put all this stuff in the choir room is what I'm gonna ask. I think that would make the most sense.
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's only one class period, or like one day he's gonna have to like
Yeah, but
deal with.
Well, there's 2 choir teachers, one for elementary,
Who's
and
the
then
other one?
There is.
one that's Mrs. Her name's Mrs. Agate.
I've never seen her before in my life.
I didn't know there was another music teacher.
natural base E. E is equal to the limit as x approaches infinity of 1 plus 1 over x raised to the x. Alright, theorem, exponential functions, and the base E. Any exponential function f of x is equal to a times b to the x can be rewritten as f of x is equal to a times e to the kx for an appropriately chosen real number constant k if a is greater than 0 and k is greater than 0, f of x is equal to a times e to the kx is an exponential growth function. If a is greater than 0 and k is less than 0, then f of x is equal to a times e to the kx is an exponential decay function.
I have a problem with like checking the grades and just being like, yeah, whatever, and like purging.
We didn't fail.
Yeah.
I'm very happy to hear that.
You're a good tutor.
I don't know where mine came from. I think it just like literally pulled it out of my butt and it on the test correctly, so.
It's not really.
Logistic growth function.
My hand is starting
Let a, b, c, and k be positive constants. With b less than 1, a logistic growth function in x is a function that can be written in the form f of x is equal to c over 1 plus a times b to the x, or f of x equals c over 1 plus a times e to the minus kx, where the constant c is the limit to growth if b is greater than 1 or k is less than 0. These formulas give logistic decay functions.